Welcome back. Kadamba is paying the price for its social service. That's what the Transport Ministry says. Operation of Kadamba buses on uneconomical routes and concession to few privileged citizens in the state are the two major reasons for losses to Kadamba Transport Corporation. This is Sudhin Daulikar's reply to a question in the Assembly. However, Corporation has initiated various measures to curb revenue losses.
Here are some of the reasons why Kadamba Corporation faces financial losses. Operation of buses on uneconomical routes, revenue of fares does not commensurate with increase in cost of inputs, operation of routes from remote villages and for school children, concession to widows of veteran soldiers, senior citizens, students, blind and differently abled. This is Transport Minister Sudhin Daulikar's reply in Assembly to the question raised by Sakri MLA Pramod Sawant. Sawant had questioned Transport Ministry on the financial losses faced by Kadamba. Various labour laws followed by the corporation is also adding losses. Corporation is governed by all labour laws: Industrial Dispute Act, Provident Fund, Employees State Insurance Corporation, Minimum Wages Act, Payment of Bonus Act, Motor Vehicles Workers Act, and Certified Standing Orders and Companies Act. KTC has recently initiated some measures to raise revenue. Some are in the pipeline. Some of the measures to raise KTC revenue are implementation and execution of online booking, various tours organized to pilgrims like Shirdi, Ashtavinayak, Pandharpur, long distance routes have been restarted, number of services on shuttle route increased, monthly pass system started, plan to introduce electronic ticketing machines, plan to introduce automatic ticket at shuttle counters, plan to introduce parcel system on all interstate buses, revenue of 42 lakh per year through advertisement on KTCL buses, and parking fee collection on bus stand raised. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has rejected a plea to direct a special NIA court at Panaji to conclude the trial of Margosa blast case in a time frame. But the High Court has observed that the trial court shall conclude the trial as expeditiously as possible.
Rejecting the petition filed by Prashant Zuekar, one of the accused in Margosa blast case, the High Court clarified that the trial is at the fag end, thus it would not be proper to give any time frame for conclusion of the trial and decision of the case. Special NIA court at Panaji had examined 111 witnesses and deposition of investigating officers are in the process. The blast had taken place during Narkasur competition just a day before Diwali festival in 2009 in Margosa. Main accused Margonda Patil and Yogesh Naik were killed when the bomb went off before placing. According to NIA investigation, Prashant Zuekar had met Margonda Patil on August 23, 2009 and both visited a place where they got training of making explosives. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
In view of Shigmotsav in Panaji city on Saturday, Goa Traffic Police have made traffic diversion plans in the capital city. This plan will come into effect from afternoon at 1 o'clock till the end of the Shigma parade. Goa Traffic Police have requested all to follow these routes for smooth flow of traffic.
Traffic entering into Panaji city will follow the normal route. Traffic coming from Altino desiring to proceed to KTC Ponda Madgaon on reaching near Panaji Church will be diverted to Kor Dioro. Traffic from Taligaon via Kakulo Mall desiring to proceed to Panaji Market KTC bus stand will be diverted at Santines Junction via Kala Academy. Traffic coming from behind Old Secretariat on reaching near Match Corner will be diverted toward Abe Difaria statue to proceed via DBB Marg. Traffic flow on DV Road will be reversed and will be made one way for the movement of traffic from Hotel Samrat towards Panaji Church. No vehicle will be allowed to proceed on DV Road from Singbal Book House and will be diverted via AB Road. No vehicle will be allowed to park on the route at Float Parade, that is Kala Academy, Kampal, Kakulo Island, 18 June Road, Kunna Rivera Road, Municipal Garden, MG Road and Azad Maidan. All the bylanes connecting 18 June Road will be closed for vehicular traffic and parking of vehicles will be made on these bylanes. General parking for spectators and public will be at EDC Complex Pato and at Parade Ground Kampal. All participating floats will be lined up in bylanes from Kakulo Island towards Kampal. With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Saif Ali Khan's upcoming film Go Goa Gone's posters show him with a cigar in his mouth. Dr. Shekhar Salkar's anti-tobacco organization Note has demanded that the Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan should be punished for violating the country's anti-smoking laws in promoting his latest film Go Goa Gone.
Shekhar Salkar, General Secretary of National Organization for Tobacco Eradication, has registered a complaint with North Goa District Collector and Deputy Inspector General of Police seeking punishment for actor Saif Ali Khan under provisions of Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act. Caution was thrown to wind in the massive publicity campaign in Goa, India and abroad by putting up large number of advertisements in newspapers and on the internet of Go Goa Gone, showing lead actor and producer Saif Ali Khan with cigar in his mouth. In a separate letter to Saif, Salkar said that actor was an icon for millions of Indians and that he should be careful while choosing his public appearances. Needless to say, a person of your status has to be utterly careful in public appearances, both as an artist and as an individual. You are a well-informed gentleman, and I need not mention to you that this action of the idol would be imitated by millions of your followers, eventually pushing most of them in jaws of cancer and a premature early death. Note has in past dragged actor Amitabh Bachchan to court over the issue of publicizing use of tobacco in film called Family. The organization has also filed complaints against Shah Rukh Khan for smoking during an Indian Premier League match and against Ajay Devgan for smoking while shooting for Bollywood film in a government-owned premises. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.